chips are no longer a rarity in our stores and are considered the most popular snacks. And in this video we will see the entire production process of the famous Lay's chips. Like 100 years ago, Lay's chips are made from natural potatoes. Potatoes arrive at the plant in 20-ton refrigerated trucks. For acceptance, potatoes are dumped directly from the trucks. To do this, the front of the machine is raised using a special lifting device. Through the conveyor system, the potatoes enter the bunker, where the first stage of sorting and cleaning from sprouts, dirt and earth takes place. By the way, not all varieties of potatoes are suitable for the production of chips. Potatoes should have a high content of starch, but sugar, as little as possible. Also, the tuber should be from 4 to 9 centimeters in diameter, so very small tubers are ejected at this first stage. At this stage, the potatoes are also washed and separated from stones and other debris. The potatoes are then peeled using a round mold. Getting into it, the tubers rotate around the rough walls and the peel is erased. After that, the potatoes are again washed in special baths to get rid of the smallest particles of the peel. The next step is sorting by size. Large tubers are waiting for the grater, where they are cut into several pieces using round knives. Especially large potatoes are then cut in half again. The sorted tubers go to the inspection table, where the worker manually cuts the tubers missed by the machine or discards the ones that do not meet the quality standards. After that, the potatoes go through a conveyor system to the next section, a slicer, which cuts the tubers into thin slices. And this is the most interesting moment. The tubers fall under the knife in the drum. Sharp blades on its walls make thin slices familiar to us from potatoes. One medium-sized potato makes about 25 slices. And this is how the slicer looks like. The allowable thickness of one slice is not more than 1-3 millimeters. After cutting with a stream of water, the cut slices are moved to a quick washing stage, where they are washed again to get rid of excess starch. Now comes the roasting stage, which takes place in a closed container at a temperature of 180 degrees. The chips are in the fry for only 3 minutes. During this time, each slice is immersed in a hot mixture of vegetable oils and is there until fully cooked. At the outlet of the machine there are moisture meters that check whether the potatoes are fried enough. If it turns out to be raw and poorly fried, the system will give a signal to the operator and he will be forced to dispose of the entire fried batch. The next stage of verification is optical sorting, during which chips with defects are shot with the help of nozzles. Next, the chips are sent to the spice application area. They enter a large rotating drum inside which spices are sprayed, dried parsley, onion or dill, as well as spices, flavorings and salt. Due to the fact that the slices are oily, the seasoning easily sticks to each slice. The chips are delivered to the conveyor already in a mixed form. For some flavors, such as garlic, tomato and paprika, the chips are additionally coated with powder, which consists of chopped vegetables. Monosodium glutamate and flavors are also used to enhance the taste. But do not be afraid. The company assures that all food flavors are identical to natural products. All this is written in the composition on the pack. At the same time, 8 different flavors of chips can be made at the production site. Some flavors are produced only for the country in which the plant is located. For example, porcini mushrooms with sour cream, lightly salted cucumbers, Crab and young green onions have been the most popular taste not only in America but also in Russia for several years now. Next, the chips are fed through the conveyor to the weigher. And then they fall down the pipes into an open bag that looks like a sleeve. A special apparatus fills the bag with nitrogen and seals it, so the chips can be stored for a long time and do not deteriorate. It takes just under an hour to produce one batch of chips at this plant. Immediately after packaging, the finished bags are put into boxes and sent to the warehouse. From there, they will already go to the stores of the country and neighboring countries, where they will be bought up from the shelves and counters. But that is another story. And fans of chips, please write in the comments which flavor do you like the most? Watch amazing animals, the mysteries of history, the most unusual phenomena, people and events on the TV channel Amazing Time. Go ahead, subscribe and enjoy interesting videos about amazing things. Link to the channel on the screen and in the description. And that's all for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you not miss the news, and leave your opinion in the comments. See you in the next issue. Bye.